Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and here is a look at my top strong week trades, and let's get right into it. First we'll start with my strong week rankings, and not a whole lot has been changing here. We see the euro and the yen going back and forth at the top, and then on the weak side, we see the New Zealand dollar and the British pound going back and forth on weakness, and then everybody else is just kind of in between here. Let's look at some currency pairs. We do have quite a few to look at today. We'll start with the Euro-US dollar weekly chart, and of course, several weeks ago, we finally broke out of this 2.5-year trading range, and we continue to move higher. We had a real nice move on Friday, and if we look at this on the daily chart, you can see there was that nice big move on Friday. I actually had a let me show you this. Yeah, this is a daily candle. I had this flag pattern traced out, and we busted out of the flag on Monday, and then on Friday we got the big up candle making a new higher high. So this is looking very good for the Euro-US dollar to continue higher. Year to date, this is the top strong week trade, up about 1,400 pips year to date. That's more than any other pair. Now let's go through my current strong week trades. We'll start with the pound yen. And okay, here we go. Let's see here. Then on Thursday we had made the lowest low, which gave us a total of 272 pips before this pullback. So we'll have to see if this pullback is just temporarily. Maybe we can get a little more out of that. Next one we'll look at is the euro pound. And this has been a very long-term trade, and it just keeps going higher. You can see here on Friday we hit a high of 552 pips for this trade that started way back at near the end of May. So that's been a great long-term trade for us. Next one we'll look at is the Euro New Zealand. And there it is. Okay. Now this has not been nearly as long term as that euro pound trade, but as you can see, it has done almost as well. Very strong week. We hit a high of 477 pips, and that was after testing our entry point. So Euro New Zealand looking great. Maybe we get a pullback before we move higher. Next one I'm going to look at is the one that has not done so well for us, and that is the Swiss franc and yen. Here we go. Okay, so this was our entry point, and we immediately had a reversal candle, and we've tested the profit area a couple of times, but we just reversed right back out of it. And I would say after these last two strong candles going against this, we would consider this pretty much a failed trade. And I'll keep watching it just for the record, but I would definitely write this one off. And the last one I'm going to look at is the New Zealand yen. There we go. Okay, now this one on Thursday, get rid of that, hit exactly 100 pips of profit on that little down move on Thursday. Then it reversed. It's been a weak reversal so far, so I still have hopes for this thing to continue this downtrend and maybe hit a new low, which will give us a new high for our pip total. Anyway, so we have 4 out of 5, or I should say 5 out of 6 doing extremely well for us. So that's pretty good win percentage. I'll take that. And hopefully everybody is having a great weekend. And as I said in my earlier video, our prayers go out to the people in Texas who are dealing with that hurricane, the aftermath, and probably continued flooding and rain. So hopefully everyone else is having a great weekend, and I will catch you later on my thread.